Hi everyone, in this question we want to solve a pair of simultaneous equations. The first thing we should note is that we have fractional indices and that we have x to the half power here, x to the half power here, and also y to the negative half power and y to negative a half power here. So the best way forward here is to make a substitution. Let's let a equal x to the half power. And we'll let b equal y to the power negative a half. So let's substitute a and b into the equations. We'll have 3a minus b equals 4. This is equation 1. And we'll have 4a plus 3b equals 14. That's equation 2. So let's rewrite equation 1 as b equals 3a minus 4. Now we can substitute this expression into b here. So we will have 4a plus 3 times b, which is 3a minus 4, equals 14. That will give us 4a plus 9a minus 12 equals 14. That will simplify to 13a equals 26. Which means that a is equal to 2. So let's substitute a into this equation. We will have b equals 3 times 2 minus 4. So b will be equal to 2. Let's go back to our original substitutions and we can calculate x and y. So as a equals x to the half power, and we set down here a equals 2, we can write 2 equals x to the half. And for the second equation, b equals 2 and b equals y to the negative a half. So we can write 2 equals y to negative a half. In the first equation, we'll square both sides. So 2.5 will cancel. So x will be equal to 4. In the second equation, we'll raise both sides to negative 2. So negative 2 cancels negative a half. Y will equal 2 to the power negative 2, which is 1 on 4. So your two solutions are x equals 4 and y equals 1/4. Thanks for watching.